Dear creatives, good morning and welcome. I am happy to welcome you all to the launch of the Circular Economy Challenge. Today marks the start of the call for ideas for this first pilot project jointly initiated by my team at the Ministry of the Economy and Luxinnovation, and you are part of it. This challenge is meant to help us to strengthen the circular know-how in the creative industries. Building up this additional pillar of the circular economy ecosystem is crucial. Indeed, we want to encourage you to develop new circular products and become circular experts in design. Those skills will accelerate the shift from a linear to a circular economy. The circular economy is coming because it is not only a necessity, but also an opportunity. It is coming because the linear economy is no longer viable and its negative impacts are no longer acceptable. Natural resources are limited and becoming scarcer, while pollution is destroying our biosphere. The circular economy is a promising model to achieve the systemic change that we need. Luxembourg is among the leaders of this economic and social transformation, and we want you to be part of it as well. Europe's and Luxembourg's ecological footprints are not sustainable and need to be altered rapidly. Luxembourg is, however, committed to be part of the solution rather than of the problem. That is why the Ministry of Economy has been actively developing the circular economy since 2013. Over the last years, we have learned a lot, and we are more determined than ever to continue our efforts. By the end of the year, we will have finalized our national circular economy strategy, jointly developed with 3 other ministries. The strategy provides a common vision and federates the multiple existing and future activities. It provides us with a sound governance and detailed roadmaps for multiple sectors. I am deeply convinced that the circular economy is the more efficient, sustainable and profitable economic model. Luxembourg's government is committed to offer a fertile ground to circular technologies and businesses. Indeed, we are building the required ecosystem that circular businesses need to thrive and to be successful. Lessons learned from pilot projects and studies are helping us to identify and implement the measures needed to induce the required paradigm shift. One of the main missions of the Ministry of the Economy is to stimulate entrepreneurship. In that context, we are developing enabling tools like the product circularity data sheet or the circular economy methodology for industrial areas. Those tools are meant to be practical and can directly be used by companies that want to include a circular economy approach in their products and projects. Besides those tools, we have tendered 2 circular buildings on the Automobility campus in Biesen, in the heart of Luxembourg. We have also developed a concept for circular hotel interiors. We are analyzing the regulatory framework together with the Ministry of Finance, and we are identifying the required know-how and services for the circular business models of the future. Ladies and gentlemen, implementing the circular economy is a collective effort of the national government, municipalities, other public or semi-public agencies and facilitators. Private actors, companies and entrepreneurs also need to be involved as they are working hands-on to shape the circular future. The government is supporting these efforts and is, for instance, adding a 20% bonus to investment subsidies for circular projects. Public procurement is also increasingly asking for circular solutions and thus creating new markets for innovative products. In the end, products are at the center of the circular economy. No business model can be circular if the product is not designed accordingly. That is why we are here today. At the end of today's webinar, I hope that you will all have grasped the concept of the circular economy, even the non-circular experts among you. I am sure that your creative minds will help us unlock the circular potential of many products. Before concluding my speech, I would like to thank the initiators of the event. Also, I would like to express my gratitude to the jury members, in particular the President, Martin Charter, who since the beginning has been a very valuable advisor in designing the challenge. Finally, I would like to thank in advance Arthur Huang, to whom I will now leave the floor. I'm sure that he will inspire all of us today. I wish you all fruitful discussions and interesting circular experience, and I am looking forward to discovering your ideas in a couple of weeks from now. Thank you.